The on-engine valve spring compressor tool that you don't have to remove rocker gear from, you don't have to move the rockers from, you can replace your valve springs, and you can fix rockers, retainers that are broken. All right, so it goes on the motor. This is set up right now for the exhaust side. So it goes on the motor like this. You need to, first thing you have to do is pull these 4 bolts out on the rocker stands that just hold the rocker stands in place. Put the push rods out so these intakes and exhaust rockers are free floating. Just pull it in. Then you put the tool on. I like to roll the rockers over. Get the tools on easier. 4 bolts, 3 bolts. We'll hold it in place. We're doing exhaust first, just because that's what it was set on. And you can line up, if you look here, you can see where it lines up. Listen, I like to be lazy, so I like to use easy tools. So I got that not centered like right now. I don't like it, so I'm going to center it. Move that way a little bit. It's more centered. I'm centered on a retainer. You can see that this is an adjustment tool that allows you to take it on and off. If you take this out, you got a lot of room here. This is what we're working on here. So now you're out. You can take 3/4 inch, and if you got you should always charge the cylinder with air, or have the top dead center up so it don't release it. Then all you do is crank this in, and you can watch it compress the valve spring right now. If you see that, it's going. And if you have it charged, the valve will stay up, and then you can change the lockers, you can change the locks and the retainer. When you're finished, you put the lock back in, back it all the way off, and that's the exhaust side turned off.